Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Distro Technologies, and in today's video I have a quick update for you guys about Spotify. Now if you live in Ghana and you have been paying premium price for Spotify, I'm going to show you how you can get premium access to Spotify for a very cheap price. So if you like content like this, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you do not miss updates like this anytime you drop them. Now as you can see on your screen, Spotify here in Ghana costs 22 cedis per month for an individual premium plan, and it costs 11 cedis per month for the premium student plan, 29 cedis per month for the premium duo plan, and 37 cedis per month for the premium family plan. Our focus for today is going to be on the premium individual plan, which costs 22 Ghana cedis per month. I'm going to show you how you can get 3 months of this premium plan for just 10 Ghana cedis, which is actually a great deal if you think about it. So without wasting much time, let me show you how you can do this. Before we begin, know that this works on Android, iOS, and your PC. All you have to do is open your browser and head over to this website. I'll leave the link in the description below. This is the official website of Spotify, and as you can see over there, it's giving us 3 free months, and it's only eligible for those who haven't signed up for Spotify Premium before. So in order to do this, you need to create a new account or be a new user. Okay, so Google already signed me into my account straight away. So this brought me straight to the checkout page where I have to add a payment method. Now I'll go with the card payment method, but before I do that, I want you to take a look at the information right above here. It shows that we are getting 3 months for 0 Ghana cedis, and they will start charging us from the 25th of February next year, 22 Ghana cedis per month. So you're going to enjoy Spotify Premium for free for 3 months. Although when I finally added my payment method, my card was charged 10 Ghana cedis and it was not refunded. So technically we are paying 10 Ghana cedis for these 3 months. Now about the card payment, you cannot use a different country's card. For example, since I'm here in Ghana, my card I'm using is a card that was issued here in Ghana by my local bank. I'm not using a dollar card or I'm not using any euro card. I'm using a card that was issued here in Ghana. Spotify will give you an error and it will not work. After you are done entering your card information, tap on complete purchase. And just like that, you have gotten Spotify Premium for free. Now you can listen to your favorite songs and artists, and while you do that, please leave me a like on the video if you found it useful, and make sure to share this video with someone who wants to get Spotify Premium for free or at a discounted price. And I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace.